जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयमयोगमु 18th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, your mind should be always thinking about Atma, and your mind should have only one goal, that is Atma Darshanam. Your mind should be completely engaged with Atma Dhyanam. That is how your mind should be perfectly controlled. Then you should be no more longing for all the objects of desires. That is when you will become qualified to get Atma Darshanam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma instructing all of us to have Atma Darshanam as our ultimate goal for our life. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yada viniyatam chittam atmanyeva avatishthate nispruhaha सर्वकामेभ्यो युक्त इत्युच्यते तदा। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव. पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Duryodhana said all those offending words to Vidura, Vidura heard all those words. Those words are like Ati Vulbana Karnabanaihi. It is like as if arrows shooted to ears. To that extent, those words are very painful to Vidura. But Vidura did not get offended. Vidura did not let those words touch his mind. Vidura just got up with his smile on his face. He left his arrows, bow, dhanuhu dwari nidhaya. He left his weapons at the main door of that palace. Then he left for Gajakhvayat Tirthapadah Padani. He left to go to all Tirthayatras, divine places. Devata Nirmita Hari Divya Bhumula Ganga Adi Punya Nadula Siddha Purana Prasiddha Punyashramashthalamula. All the divine places is an equivalent to Sakshat Sriman Narayana's divine feet. That is why Vidura left there to visit all the divine places. And now he started his travel. He is enjoying divine thousands of different forms of Paramatma in different places. He is experiencing divinity of all the Vigrahas in all the temples. And he is visiting such a great towns, divine towns, sacred rivers, sacred ponds, sacred mountains. With all of his devotion, he is enjoying Paramatma's presence in all those places. He is not paying too much of attention upon his own body. His hair grew so much, and he is not taking care of his hair. He doesn't care where he has to sleep. Kuralu, Kayalu, నీళ్ళు ఆహారముగాగనుచు నియమము అలవడంగ అవధూత వేషధరుడై. He is taking very satvika food and he is taking very limited food. He became just like a avadhuta. He traveled all over Bharatavarsham and finally reached Prabhasa Tirtham. By the time Vidura reached Prabhasa Tirtham, here the Kurukshetra Sangramam is done. Then Dharmaraju, he got his kingdom back. He was coronated and then he started ruling his kingdom. Vidura, when he reached Prabhasa Tirtham, he came to know that Kurukshetra Sangramam is done. Tatradha susrava suhrudvinashtim vanam yadha venujavakhni samshrayam. He came to know that all the Kauravas are killed. As and how when there is a wildfire takes place in the forest, like that all the Kauravas were killed. That is what Vidura came to know when he reached Prabhasa Tirtham. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Ananta Vaikuntha Mukunda Krishna Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Vaktum Samardhopi Navakti Kaschit Aho Jananam Vyasanabhimukhyam. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 18th sloka. Yada Viniyatam Chittam Atmanyeva Avatisthate Nispruhaha Sarvakamebhyo Yukta Ityuchyate Tada. Yada Viniyatam Chittam Atmanyeva Avatisthate Nispruhaha Sarvakamebhyo Yukta Ityuchyate Tada. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.